YouTube, what it do? It's your boy Pablo, man, and I'm back again with another banger gang. Back with another noggin rocker. Hey, today, man, we driving around, cutting up a little bit, getting a little active, you know what I'm saying? Been real chill on the tube. You know what I'm saying? I just wanted to see what kind of progress we done made so far. Shout out to all my new subscribers. I appreciate you guys. Welcome to the Savage Gang. We are a family and we do savage shit over here. We love you guys. Welcome in. You know what I'm saying? Like I say, if you're new to the channel, go ahead and press that like button. You know, let me know that you there. Let's see if we can get this one. I want to see if we can get this 100 likes. I've been having some negative people on my page lately. You know, I guess that comes with the growth, but they been coming in kind of foul. You know what I'm saying? And then they actually pressing the dislike button. So I need Savage Gang to rock out with you, boy. Y'all know how we get, man. We gotta keep each other up. Gotta keep each other motivated. You know what I'm saying? I don't let it bother me. That's why I'm still here grinding. So, but I gotta be able to counteract that for the algorithm, so we can keep growing and keep showing these haters like, hey, we doing what we do over here, baby. You mind yours, and we gonna mind ours. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, got a little POV for y'all today. Fresh off work. Well, I ain't off work yet, but on my way off of work. I know that wind probably kind of loud, but excuse me. Let me hit that for y'all. My bad. That sun bright. Hold on. Trim. I don't want to. Well, I'm back. Couldn't figure out really what was going on, but I'm just gonna rock out like this. Ooh, big poop at the end. Big poop at the end. You heard it. But I'm gonna set this thing. We're gonna run this thing super track. Oh, I don't never really drive in track mode. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, for real. I keep it in sport. I got the taser on here, so I tased the car, and then when I was going through the settings, I just put it on sport mode. So anytime I cut the car on, it goes straight into sport mode. That's probably why I burn so much gas too. Like I need to give y'all a video of how much gas I spend about a month to give y'all some real insight and detail about, like, this is real deal. It's a bill. My gas for this car is a bill, because it's, like I said, it's my daily driving Scatpack. You know what I'm saying? How much does it cost? It's a lot. I'm not gonna lie. Like I say, y'all might be thinking $200. It's a little bit more than that, man. I'm talking about full-blown daily driving. I ain't got no other car, bro. It's real deal, bro. But put that thing in track mode. You look like you finna hit it. You don't want to do that, player. You get down the street on your ass. Snatch up. Oh, I'm gone. You don't want no smoke, cuz. You don't want no smoke. Stop playing me. Really want to stretch, why you do that? You know what I'm saying? We can do that. You know what I'm saying? It's nice having that next level. But yeah, so daily driving the Scatpack, man. And ooh, that'll be a dope video. What if I can't say it. Y'all do. I just thought of a banger of a video. It's gonna be a waste, but damn, that'll be a good video. So, but yeah, right now we're in track mode. Finna hop on the highway. I never really, the day I did that, I think I ran it in sport. I don't even think I had it in track. I think I ran that junk in sport for real. But we're in track mode now. See it on the dash. They been probably finna spin. I'm gonna hit it right here. We're gonna spin like a bit. Ooh. Okay. It like skip first gear. It like forget that first gear, jump. I was nervous doing that because it's like fresh out work hours, so 12 outside. See the traffic on the other side. But damn, that bit be long. What gear was that? Jeez. Oh, that's the police. Oh no. Old school down. Old school down. My bad, y'all hear that wind? Old school down. Y'all hear my little whistle? That naturally aspirated. Aspirated thing. My track set up tough though, cause that bit, this steering wheel locked tight. Let's see if we get some. It's like them first two gears are short dogs, and third, fourth, and fifth, you just be running. This steering wheel is crazy though. Probably why the goddamn car be acting up, cause I be doing shit like that. For real. Well, gang, I just want to bring y'all in for a quick little chill little video, man. Like I say, bitch, that Tony kind of sick. Probably, I don't know. I need to look up, do these cars get tuned up and shit. They got to, right? Like all cars. Hey, he gave it a thumbs thumbs up. That's lit. You know what I'm saying? But yeah. So I'm gonna get back at y'all in the next one, gang. Hey, before you leave, don't leave. Hey, wait. Before you leave, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell notification so you get all these drops when these drops come. It's your boy Pablo, and we out of here.